Good morning, everyone. We'll discuss today distance and displacement, and the chapter is motion. Now, what do you mean by distance? Distance can be defined as the actual length of the path covered by a moving body, irrespective of direction. Or we can say the length of that path is known as distance, irrespective of direction. किसी भी बॉडी ने जो टोटल पाथ कवर किया है उस टोटल पाथ की वैल्यू इज नोन एज डिस्टेंस. एंड सिंस इन डिस्टेंस देयर इज नो डायरेक्शन, दैट इज व्हाई डिस्टेंस इज नोन एज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी. वी हैव discussed this earlier also, that scalar quantities are those quantities which have only magnitude and not direction. Magnitude means any numerical value. For example, in this figure, a body is moving from point A to B and it is covering a distance of 4 km. Then the body is going from B to C and covering a distance of 3 km. Then the distance covered will be equal to 4 plus 3 equals to 7. And distance is a scalar quantity. अगर कोई बॉडी A पॉइंट से B पॉइंट पर गई और उसने 4 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर किया, then it goes from B to C and it has covered a distance of 3 kilometer. Then the total path covered by the body will be equal to 7 kilometer. The value of distance can never be zero. For a moving body, the value of distance can never be zero. Now the next one is displacement. What do you mean by displacement? The shortest path between the initial and the final position of the body along with direction is known as its displacement. Initial और final point के बीच का shortest distance is known as displacement. Like we have taken the same example that a body is moving from A to B and covering a distance of 4 km. Then the body is moving from B to C and covering a distance of 3 km. Then the shortest path between the initial point, which is A, and the final point, which is C, is equals to, we can, since it is a right angle triangle, then we can apply Pythagoras theorem in it. And you must have read it in 8th class. So, with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the side AC. AC is equals to AB square plus BC square. So, AB side is 4 km. The square of 4 is 16. BC is 3 km. The square of 3 is 9. And in total it is 25. Under root 25. So it will comes out to be 5 km in northeast direction. Since in displacement, direction is also present and magnitude is also present. That is why displacement is regarded as a vector quantity. And the value of displacement can be zero for a moving body. अगर कोई बॉडी एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट पर जाने के बाद वापस से एक पॉइंट उसी पॉइंट पर आ जाती है या अपने इनिशियल पॉइंट पर आ जाती है, देन इट्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट विल बी जीरो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, in this figure, a body is moving from A to B and covering a distance of 100 meter. Then in this case, the distance will be equals to 100 meter. And if a body is moving from A to B and we also know the direction that it is moving in east direction, then we can say then its displacement is 100 meter in east. So displacement has direction in it while distance do not have direction in it. Now in the same example, if we will consider that a body moves from A to B and again it comes from B to A, then the distance will be equals to 100 plus 100 equals to 200 meter. But in that case the displacement will be 0. अगर कोई बॉडी A पॉइंट से B पॉइंट पर जाती है और फिर B पॉइंट से वापस A पॉइंट पर जाती है, then in that case distance की value क्या हो जाएगी 100 plus 100 will be equals to 200 meter, but the value of displacement, because displacement is the difference between the unique path, the straight line path between initial and final position, then it will be equals to 100 meter minus 100 meter, or the body, since it is coming to its initial position, that's why the displacement will be equal to 0. Thank you.